Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to change your Trust Wallet password. It's easy to get this done. Simply open up your Trust Wallet application. Once the Trust Wallet has opened up, in order to change your password or change the passcode you have set to the account, please make sure you are aware of your passcode, as by clicking on the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you've selected the gear icon and you simply scroll down till you find the security option, which is the security menu highlighted here. Once you've selected the security option, depending on your biometrics or your form of security, you could easily use the PIN option to enter your PIN code and unlock your wallet. So once you've unlocked your wallet, where we have the passcode option, tap on this passcode and simply enter your biometric or PIN. And once you've entered your biometrics, you've disabled the passcode. Click on the biometrics again and now input a passcode into the system. And by doing this, you've successfully changed your Trust Wallet password. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.